Welcome to Martino Ezugo Kitchen. We are making special and very simple noodles. Trust me, after watching this video, you will thank me. I'm making this particular recipe with my beautiful wife. Now, first of all, you put in your, pot, adding water, adding vegetable seasoning and vegetable oil. Now in another pot, frying pot, we add in our vegetable oil and do well to add your hot dog. Then we stir for a moment. This is carrots. All right, these are veggies generally, carrots, pepper, and so on and so forth. And we also add our onions. All right, now as we proceed, then we are steaming our veggies with low heat. We don't want it to overdone. Yeah. Now we add a little seasoning, bean curry, a little salt and other things, and also add a little dry pepper and other things, but this is optional. You can choose to add all these things if you want. You can check description if you want to know the names of things I added in this particular recipe. And also do well to smash the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this particular channel. In this channel, we bring to you food eating challenge, all right, or eating competition in whichever way, and we also teach you how to cook any kind of African dishes. So dive in. As our noodles is boiling gradually, then we add our this one, now. In case you don't know, this is corned beef. All right, yes, you can add this, it's optional. All right, but I just want to teach you how to make this particular recipe. Just keep on watching to the end. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Then when your noodles is ready, you filter the water out. These are our green beans cut already. Then when you filter the water out, you turn it inside the pot where you put your veggies. Stir very well and very nice. Keep on watching. The end of this video will amaze you. If you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe and also give us a thumb like to help YouTube to suggest this video to other people that want to learn how to make this particular recipe. Trust me, this particular noodles recipe is very yummy. Wow, everywhere is scenting as if well, only the aroma of this particular noodles will open your tummy. In another pot, you do well to go in with your veggies. All right, then your egg has well mixed egg with some spices like pepper, salt, a pinch of salt. Then put in your pot. You see the way I'm rolling it? Yes, and the one rolling it, not my wife, rolling this particular one. Then gently and make sure that the egg did not scatter. Then after everything, the noodles and the veggies, put it inside the pot or the frying pan which you put in the egg. Do well to roll gradually, gently, flip together gently after everything. And remember, don't overcook your noodles. Because of this process, you are going to put it here and also fry a little so that your noodles will not be over soft. Let me know. Women, now you would first, my wife, the first me test. Well, nevertheless, if she chop, I don't chop. So let me know what you think concerning this video. Do you find this video helpful? Do well to let me know on comment section. Thank you for watching. We bring to you next our eating challenge or food competition. Do well to subscribe and share.